Welcome to Les Ateliers Pâtissiers de Christophe. Today we will make the macaron. For this you need almond powder, icing sugar, castor sugar, egg white, coloring and arrow with a little bit of water. Sieve the icing sugar with the almond powder. Put the colorant and the aroma into your mix. Put the water and the sugar in the pan. And when it hits 118 degrees, pour your sugar into the whites and continue the mix until it cools down for about 5 minutes. I add the rest of the egg white into the almond powder and icing sugar with a bit of the meringue. Then mix it until you have an homogenous dough. Add the rest of the meringue and mix it delicately. With the spoon, mix quickly to make your macaron mix softer, but not too much. Your mix of macaron is ready. Now you use a plate with a cooking paper and a piping bag for make your macaron. What I say now? That's it. Arrête ça. We put in the oven at 160 degrees for about 12 minutes. When you remove them from the oven, pour a little water between the baking tray and the baking paper. Put your stewed fruit onto the macaron shells. Then take the other shells on the top. And bon appétit, everybody. Bye!